Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important: how to start an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and having a financial safety net can make all the difference. So, let's dive right in. First things first, why do you need an emergency fund? Well, picture this. Your car breaks down, your pet needs urgent medical attention, or you suddenly lose your job. An emergency fund is your financial cushion, a stash of money set aside specifically for unexpected situations. Step 1. Set clear goals. Decide how much you want to save in your emergency fund. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Jot down your monthly bills and estimate essential costs like food and utilities. This will give you a target to work towards. Starting small is okay. Begin by putting aside a small amount from each paycheck, even if it's just $20 or $50. Every little bit adds up over time. Make it a habit, like paying yourself first. For your emergency fund, you'll want a separate savings account. Look for one with no fees, easy access, and a decent interest rate. This account should be dedicated solely to your emergency fund, helping you resist the temptation to dip into it for other expenses. To make saving even easier, automate your contributions. Set up an automatic transfer from your main account to your emergency fund. This way, you won't even have to think about it. It'll happen like clockwork. Consistency is key. Life surprises don't take a break, so neither should your savings. Keep contributing, even when times are good. Remember, your emergency fund is there to provide peace of mind. Celebrate your milestones. When you hit certain savings goals, treat yourself. Maybe a nice dinner or a small weekend getaway. It's important to reward yourself for your financial discipline. So, to recap, starting an emergency fund is all about understanding the importance, setting clear goals, starting small, choosing the right account, automating your savings, staying consistent, and celebrating your milestones along the way. Remember, an emergency fund isn't just about money. It's about the peace of mind it brings. So take that first step, start building your safety net, and face the future with confidence. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.